Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cali Guy Zay back at it again with another video. We are here with these two fuckers. The majestic S13 guy and the majestic... Oh, he don't got the do-rag on. And the guy with the 350Z, the ones that shoot flames.
Who the fuck says Zed?
Zed. We're yeah.
Definitely Z.
Zed. We're in British.
But let me call Craven.
We're in British Columbia. Well, actually, they don't even talk in British. They're talking French.
I low-key hate Korea. I'm joking.
Damn. That's crazy. This is MTV Cribs. Welcome to Jay Niz's house.
Yo, your house is fire.
That's what I'm saying, man. Makes my house look like shit.
Exactly. What's my house?
It's my childhood house. I'm gonna live
This is his other house. By the way, he has two cribs.
I don't have to.
He does. He had two spots. He have two.
Even I know. And I don't know shit.
All right, you guys. This is Jay Niz's room. All right, man. All right. This man got trunks. He got Super Saiyan trunks. This man.
Favorite character of all time? No cap. Favorite character of all time?
I think Gohan's better.
Cap. There's no way. What did Gohan do other than beat Cell?
Dang, look who's there.
Oh, Jaw's there. And freaking Justin. Of course, the early boys.
You're always there first.
Wait.
Jaw and Justin is there.
You're just chilling here?
Yeah.
It's so fucking early.
Dang.
I kind of want to go late, man. Like,
I want to be like this man. Look at him. He's watching.
The GOAT, man. Corey Kitchen, bro.
Yeah, Corey.
The GOAT, man.
Corey. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry, Jalen, but hold on. This man got do-rags on do-rags on
I'm
fucking...
really gonna start a Hot Wheels collection right there.
On top of your bed? Yeah, that'd be cool.
Hella
That'd be
Hot
cool.
Wheels.
All right, man. All right.
No check engine lights, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I brake boosted to like 2,000 RPM, nigga. Guess what?
What?
I spun
You spun?
both wheels.
LSD.
It got sideways, bro. I was like, ain't no way.
Yeah.
Bro, I swear, but like, and I literally had the counter steer to stay straight, bro. Word to the dude that was on the dirt bike that was there with me.
Yeah.
Jalen, them box of cheese is gone, my boy. That nigga creep
I'm
about
trying to
to...
like it, bro.
That shit good.
I'm trying to like it, bro.
That shit good, man. I'm trying to tell you. That shit good.
Hang on.
That shit good.
Imagine if I was geeked as fuck.
I'm just gonna hit harder.
We're going to the meet. We're going to the meet. Oh, damn, Simon, did you just loot?
Look at that Lamborghini
Look-
Ferrari 242 9D.
Hey, hold on. That's a fire-ass photo. Hold on. All right, let's get this cold start going there, boys. Let's start up your engines. Let's hope it starts. Nice roll. All right, let's hear Karima. Oh shit, is he gonna start any day now? All right, man, let's get the cold start of the Z, man. Go. That man Andrew over there having a fun time. Oh, all I just smell is exhaust. Oh shit! Oh yeah! Andrew did not get that. Look at him!
S14 is better.
S14.
S14 is better.
Which one?
That's the one with the fat ass.
Zuki?
Yeah, Zinc.
Yeah, Zinky, yeah.
Oh, fat ass. Smoke that one.
Why are you look at this big motherfucker, big bomba clot?
You gotta zoom in on my ass and zoom out to let them know it's a nigga.
I fill up all the way.
I get no bitches. Absolutely. Zero play. No bitch, like for real, bro. Like some serious shit. They're like, you better not. Oh.
Hey, this gonna be Kariba gonna be like the off the takeovers.
I'm the cow that went over the moon.
Boost.
They said cocaine is a hell of a drug, but boost is a hell of a lot more.
Yeah, that's wild.
Steering wheel on. Let the audience hear the satisfying. Wasn't that loud, but it was still there. The fucking idle on a 5.0 is so fucking nasty, bro. Oh, you told him to come? Oh, oh shit. Yo. Okay. Yo, Simon, bro. What? Bro, how you gonna let him get a bash more? Yo, he got the carbon fibers. Woo! Yo, that shit is tough as fuck. Damn.
But just because you pulled up now, never be on the country.
Hey man, go ahead and park by the S13, man. Go ahead and park over there.
Ah, shit.
Need a good picture.
For the fucking weed. Woo. Oh shit! Damn.
I made him motherfucker.
Okay. That don't be my shit.
What you doing?
Oh, they coming in deep.
Nigga, I don't need it. I don't drive that.
I kind of want to go home and go get my shit now. I kind of want to go get my shit. Even though I'm not going to make a difference. I'll just be a third IS.
But this time,
They going stupid.
Oh, that, bro.
Sorry, they shut us down, but we still lit.
I said, fuck y'all.
Why y'all looking like targets right now?
The funny guy. Oh God. All right, Jalen. What you about to order, man?
Goddamn slice of pizza.
Smoke
And I'll be alright.
You about to order a glizzy?
Fuck no,
Bro, this man is like, where's the cups at? The cups is right fucking there.
This guy.
He's pulling to me right now.
He is pulling him.
This man is dyslexic. What are you doing? What the fuck?
You getting 2 shoes on me?
Fuck yeah, man.
Blue,
right?
You are nasty. Cherry limeade, blueberry.
Fuck yeah.
Mine
You know what we
with
need to
the-
do? We need to go to Buc-ee's.
What the fuck is that?
Buc-ee's is like this, but just like a big ass.
You paying for that shit too. 37 cents.
Rice Mobile. Please record that.
Worst dog spec. We got the neon underglow. Let's hear it, Rev. I want to hear that shit, Rev. Phew. That shit sound like he was flooring it.
Give me his phone. You go with my fucking phone. I lost my phone.
okay, what the fuck?
I'm mad at him.
Is she talking to Sheldon?
Fucking nothing ass bitch. And disrespecting me for no fucking reason.
Get this shit, my nigga. Get this. I'm getting this shit.
At this point, who got the next spot? At this point.
They talking about going home and shit.
I hate to alarm y'all, but Mr. Andrew Too Smooth, carbon fiber, you know, doors, you know. Sir, where the fuck is your tread? Wait,
That shit
wait,
is smooth, nigga. What the fuck?
wait. I know you flipped your tires, but bruh, where?
Where is the tread?
Where? Where?
Is the tread down there?
Where?
What?
Where the fuck is your tread? Bro! You're driving around on baby's bottoms.
Personally, will not do that.
I mean, at least your front's got some tread. God damn, Andrew, what the fuck? Why are you? What the fuck, man? What is this bald? What is this bald shit? But alright, you guys, I'm heading back to the house. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Continue to watch my videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the video. And I'm out.